All right, guys, hello. I wanted to make this video for those of you who missed our Monday meetings, but also to clarify for everyone what is happening this week, because this week is very important. It's the beginning of our project that we're going to be working on for the rest of the year. So, of course, we are in week 3, which means we are in module 3. Okay. And the first thing that you should be doing this week, and a lot of you have been doing, is the entry event quiz. This is the quiz that you take after reading and watching everything inside of Module 3 so that we know you understand what you are doing. Okay? So let's click into Module 3. We had our meeting. We have another meeting on Wednesday. And we are introducing this project. Miss Kano, you need to watch this video. Miss Kano explains in this video what our project is, and that as an entire Rocket New Tech community, we are creating a large website. In the GeoLit section of the website, we are going to be creating pechakuchas, which Miss Galicia explained is chit chat in Japanese. Okay? So the way that a pechakucha presentation works is that you have 20 slides that you narrate, that you talk over for 20 seconds. So it ends up being a 6-minute, 40-second presentation. And I've created one for you right here. This is an example of what we want to see at the end of the year, at the end of these 4 weeks of creating. Okay. And I made this so that you could follow it along and kind of see as you keep progressing what your pechakucha should continue looking like. So your pechakucha is going to revolve around one of these cultural elements. Okay? Religion, communication, celebrations, education, death care, food, government laws, economy, business norms. In mine, I did clothing. That's not on the list because I don't want you jacking my ideas. So I did, that was humor for those of you listening. We put together this list and you're going to choose one of them to talk about. It's not going to be specific, like, let's say if you do religion, it's not about just one religion. It could be about multiple different types of religion, right? If we're talking about food, you don't just have to do the food in El Paso or the food that you are used to. You can talk about how food is affected by the coronavirus and has changed everywhere, anywhere. Okay, so I'm going to go back really quickly. The next thing you need to do after you do the quiz is you need to choose your cultural elements. You're going to click in here. Oh no, the second time today I made that mistake. So you're going to click in here and you are going to write down the cultural element from that list that you want to do. This week we are working on the first 5 slides. In those first 5 slides, you're introducing yourself. You're talking about what is Corona. This is like for people in the future. You're writing down, you're recording history. So you're telling people, what is the coronavirus? Where did it start? Where has it spread? What is it doing? How is it affecting you personally, right? In my own video, this is where I introduced myself. This is where I started talking about lockdown and being away from my students and how the virus spread. So if you literally watch the first 5 images on my pechakucha, you will see what we want this week, okay? Now, going back to our landing page. This folder is extremely important, the pechakucha information folder. If you click in here, we have how to create your pechakucha, okay? This is a list that Ms. Galicia and I put together for any kind of device that you are on. If you're on your MacBook, if you're on an iPad, if you're on a PC, if you're on an iPhone, an Android phone, if you're on any kind of computer that can connect to the internet, we've put together a list of how to create your video and how to upload it to YouTube. So your slides need to have narration over them, right? So what I created was using an iPhone, I used clips. That's a great way of doing it. On Android, you can use slides. So after you create something like that, you're going to save it and you are going to upload it to YouTube. So each of these shows you how to do it. So let's say you're on a PC and all you have is PowerPoint. Fine. You can follow this tutorial on how to use PowerPoint. And then this tutorial tells you how to put it on YouTube. Because at the end of the week, we want you to be able to take a link, copy it, and put it right here. First 5 slides of Pechakucha. Okay? Each week, your presentation should get longer by 5 slides. So if you're using the Google Slides or clips or whatever, save your work so that next week we can do the next 5 slides, okay? If you have any questions, please reach out to us in the cafe, reach out to us through messages or Remind, any way that you can reach out to us, okay? All right.